Hello, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 different chess tricks to win fast. Okay, how to win a chess very fast. Okay, I am going to give you 4 different chess tricks. Please watch and finish this video. The last trick is very important. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the trick 1. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is Rig 1. How to checkmate in 11 moves. White win the game. How to white wins white checkmate. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4. This is called king pawns opening. Then d5. Okay. Then the white chain, white pawn equal to e4. Okay. Now attack the white pawn. In this case, black decided to cut the white pawn. Okay, he cut the white pawn. Then white player playing beautiful move make knight c3. Now this knight attacked e4 squares black pawn. Okay, you can see now I am going to tell you this knight attacked this pawn. That's why this knight come to here. I think we will see. Yeah, knight come to f6. Then the fourth move of white pawn go to f3. Now another attack to the black pawn by the pawn. Okay, now you can see it is 2 attackers to this pawn. This knight attacked the pawn. In the same time this pawn attacked this pawn. Okay, we will see how to count this match. Black has only one defender here. We will see how to count this match. Black. Now pawn take the pawn. Okay, then e cross f3. Now play the black pawn, cut the white pawn, then queen take the pawn, then queen cross d4. Okay, we will see how to can this match. White. Okay, now white bishop go to e3. Now attack the queen by the white bishop. In this case, black queen decided to go to b4. Now pin the knight. You can see now this queen pinned here. This knight cannot go anywhere. Here or here or here or here or here or here. Okay, we will see how to can this match. What now? White made a long castle. This is the beautiful move made what. Okay, then black bishop come to g4. Now pin the queen and rook. You can think in this match white win or lost. I think this game white win. Beautiful checkmate easily in maybe 5 moves. After the 5 moves, white wins white checkmate. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the white knight go to b5. Black has 2 options. One is e5 or knight f6. Okay, you can see now I am going to check you this pawn come to here or this knight to here. We will see. First one is if pawn come to here, what's happening. Okay, now he puts the pawn to e5. Then knight take the pawn and check and fork the rook. Now the queen got the king moved like this. Okay, king come to e7. He moves e7. Then white queen got the pawn. If white thinking this queen. Black thinking why he moved like this, queen cross b7, because you can see now this queen is cut the queen. If cut like this, now beautiful checkmate with white pieces. Okay, now you can see if cut the queen by the queen, this is the blunder he made black piece. That's why white is moving perfectly. Now bishop c5 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is just tricks 1. Okay, let's go to the chess tricks 2. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is trick 2, how to white wins white checkmate. Okay, we will see. First move is d4, then d5, then e4, then d cross c4, then knight c3, then knight f6, then f3, then e cross f3. We saw already this particular moves. Okay, then fifth move of queen cross f3. Then queen take the pawn. Then bishop come to e3. Now attack the queen by the bishop. Now queen go to b4. Then beautiful castling make what? In this particular chess game, you can see now black chain, black come to here in g4 and pin the queen. We will see come to carry this match. Now knight b5, white knight go to b5. Now two options. One is black pawn go to e5 or knight come to a6. We saw already, I teach you already, this pawn come to here, what's happening. Now you can see what happening if this knight come here, what happening. We will see, okay, we will see what's happening if come to knight come to a6, okay. Now knight, no, not pawn, this is knight 10, knight come to here, what's happening, okay, come to black moves. Now queen cross b7. Now two options here, one is rook come to b8 or c8, okay. We will see if come to here, we will see come to cancel this match white, sorry. Now white move, white cut the rook with his queen, then rook knight take the rook, and we will see come to cancel this match. Another move is knight cross c7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is rig 2. We can go to the rig 3, okay. Hello everyone, this is rig 3. Come to white wins white checkmate, okay, in 11 moves, okay. I am going to teach you beautifully. Please watch and finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4, d5, e4, d cross c4, knight c3, knight f6, f3, e cross f3, pawn take the pawn and queen take the pawn, then queen cross d4. Then we will see this bishop go to e3 and queen come to here in b4. Now beautiful castling he made, then bishop go to g4, then knight b5. Now two options here. If knight come to here, what's happen, okay. Now another move, queen take the pawn, queen take the b7 pawn. Now two options here. One is black rook come to b8 or rook come to c8. What happened this particular moves? We saw already if the rook come to here, what happened. We saw already the third tricks I will show you. Now if come to this rook here in the c8 square pawn, what happening black, okay. If rook come to here, then beautiful move make queen cross a6, bishop cross d1, take the rook, then we will see cut the rook and beautiful checkmate, queen cross c8 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is rig number 3, okay. Let's go to the rig number 4, okay. Hello everyone, this is rig number 4. This is rig 4 black have to win the game. Why white Rishan, okay. This is very important test rigs in my YouTube channel, okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4, e5, d take e5, knight c6, then knight f3, queen e7, then bishop go to f4 and queen b4 and beautiful check. Two options here. First one is if bishop come to d2, what happening, or if queen go to there and what happening. If bishop come to here in d2, what happening, we will see. Now attack the queen by the bishop, then queen go to b2, queen cross b2, cut the pawn by the black queen, then bishop go to there, attack the queen, then black bishop come to here. Totally this game white lost the game, because if move like this, then cut the bishop, why the bishop, okay. If go back, if black come here, then beautiful move make this queen take the rook. If he take like this, then wrap the queen. Totally this game white win not easily. Black won the game. Black has so many pieces. That's why this game black win easily, okay. That's it today video. We will show another video tomorrow, okay. Thank you so much. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon, okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.